Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel and today is our second day dito sa Greece and last night guys na kami na anong tawag nun? Nalasing kami. Yung plano lang namin yesterday was to eat and then come home, have a relaxing evening, ganyan. Pero nalasing kami dun guys kasi may maraming shots na parang in the house siya. And yeah, na-enjoy namin yung gabi and then I got so drunk. And yun guys, I got so drunk and it was actually really hard to sleep last night kasi parang yung bubong gumaganong-ganon, ganyan. But anyway, we woke up so late, nasa mga 11 na, hindi pa kami kumakain, wala pang breakfast, wala pang lunchtime. And yeah, that's what we're about to do, and I think I'm just gonna wear the same because we don't have so much clothes. And yeah, that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna go out, we're gonna eat, and then maybe come back here because it's really too warm outside. Like right now, I'm burning. And then after that, magsiswimming kami, and then yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Martin, I'm so hungry now though.
I have to be absolutely true to you. I just remember when you came and I saw a pizza with a fire.
Yeah. Lakad na naman guys, maghanap daw ng pizza. Dumating na dito sa Greece, pizza pa rin. Actually, I'm so hungry now. Walking, finding the right place. Grabe guys, ang layo na talaga ng nilakad namin. Kasi daw kahapon, nagsakay kami ng taxi ba, may nakita daw siya na parang pizza place na may parang real oven daw, ganyan. Tapos parang 30 minutes na ata kaming naglalakad. Ewan ko ba.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, and he go in a thermal as a circle around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street.
I found one pizza.
Nice.
Now we have to figure out.
Nice.
Can I get my?
Nakita na rin namin guys yung restaurant na gusto ni Martin kasi nakita daw niya to kahapon. Kasi may magandang oven daw for pizza. So now we're here. It's actually really pretty. See? Everything is so nice. Ordering ko guys ay grilled octopus with fava. I don't know ano yan, pero I think that's what I'm gonna have. Mercy. Look Martin.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Pull it. No, you fucked it up.
You gotta help. You gotta help me. Slow motion. Thank you. Scroll ko noon. Sarap niya. Appetizer na muna tayo guys. It's so yummy. Here's my food guys. It's so yummy. Martin pizza. Mine is octopus. Right guys, it's so happy. so good. Ubos na ubos, or? Good food, ba? Ano, binigay nila sa amin libre daw. In the house na naman. Yumsy.
A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown, and Eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She told
Grabe guys, pauwi na kami and upo-upo na muna kami dito. Ang nilakad namin no, mga almost 2 hours ata para makuha lang yung pizza na yun. And now, pauwi na kami and then yeah, it's so warm. Tapos ano, ang layo pa ng lakarin namin. Oh. Hello guys, dumating na rin kami dito sa hotel namin. And it's been a really long walk. Sobrang init din kaya we've decided to just go home. Pero bumili ako ng mga ano dito, yung mga kailangan namin. Asa na ba? Pakita ko sa inyo. This one is body oil, lotion kasi hindi ako nakapagdala guys and my skin is starting to be very dry again kasi nga sobrang init, grabe. Tapos bumili ako nito, hindi ko pa ever na try ito pero mukhang maganda naman siya. It is natural oil soap vanilla and the price was like 1.5 €1 and half, paano ba sabihin yan? 1.5 euro. Same with this. So, dalawa yung binili ko. And then, nakalimot din kaming magdala ng hairbrush. So, I bought this. This is the only available. And the price was this one, 2.8. And para siyang pambata, pero okay lang. So, yun. Yung aking mga pinamilian. Nandito na kami ulit kasi nga sobrang init. Lalabas kami ulit mamaya siguro. But let's see